I'm Pablo Garcia. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Mirrakoi. And we are a medtech company specialized in software solutions for hospitals, for doctors, to create their own 3D models with any desktop printer from the market with one click of a button. So they will change the world by enabling technologies like 3D printing or virtual reality or finite element analysis that are out of reach for doctors, for people who don't have the skills to manage such systems. So they will make them accessible to them so that they can actually have use of them, of 3D printing, of VR, of finite element analysis. So that will change the world by letting a collective that is not very much used to complex systems benefit from all the impact of these technologies. So for lower the risk of operations and lower the intra-radiation of the operation and reducing cost in the end for the hospital. The advantages are a lot, and they are linked to EPFL as a federal institution with very specific grants linked to the university, like the EPFL Enable grant, the FIT grant that is in the canton of Vaud. So actually that was a key support in form of a 100,000 loan, and also all the support of Swiss national-wide programs like Venture Kick, especially. The Seed Night brings a lot of exposure, so a lot of visibility in the startup ecosystem to investors, to fellow entrepreneurs, and to future employees. So we get to know a lot of students from the EPFL area. And for the EPFL alumni network, so the main advantage is the network itself. So a lot of contacts of people that have been through EPFL, and a lot of information from the organization about where to meet the alumni, events, and make bonds with them. So in our company, we are a medical image processing company, so we plan to extend our portfolio of applications. Now we are in the hard tissue operations like orthopedics. We want to get into cardiology, into pediatrics, and all kinds of operations that are more sensitive, so need more regulation.